Who else knows about this?
SETI in New Mexico identified a signal. And we estimate that it has a diameter of over 550 kilometers and a mass roughly 1/4 the size of our moon.
What the hell is it? A meteor?
No, sir.
No, definitely not.
How do you know?
Well, sir, it's slowing down.
It's what?
Open your eyes. Dare to believe. Own the experience.
It's happening again, isn't it?
Listen to me, Scully. This thing exists.
Leave this case alone.
Where's Mulder?
We're not who we are.
I suggest you forget what you saw or what you think you saw.
Scully.
Avoid the devil. Don't follow Henry to the devil.
What I find fantastic is any notion that there are answers beyond the realm of science.
I know what I saw, Scully.
It's like the Roswell cover-up all over again.
Who are you?
The X-Files, now on video.
For God's sakes, it's me.
Mulder, you may not be who you are.
Collect the classic first episodes to watch again and again.
The truth is out there,
There still exist some secrets which should remain secret.
but so are lies.
Two uncut, digitally mastered files on each tape.
No one, no government agency has jurisdiction over the truth.
Take them with extreme caution.
They're here, aren't they?
They've been here for a long, long time.
The X-Files. With exclusive introductions by series creator Chris Carter.
Trust no one, no one, no one, no one.
It's coming from there.
Get online with 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment and plug into the future.
Exclusive information.
Interactive promotions.
Access to talent.
Behind-the-scenes footage.
CD-ROM samplers and multimedia sneak peeks.
Interviews.
Exclusives for club members.
Feedback.
Discounts and special offers.
Experience the next century now. www.foxhome.com.
Yeah, boot it.
That's it. Excellent. I'm recording. Good. What are you, crazy man? Wait till I get this thing down. You're trying to ID me? What you doing? Fucking retard. God damn it. Do me a pussy. Fuck you. Don't call me a pussy. I'll fucking ID you. All right, come on. Here, take the gun. Come on.
Piece of shit! I can't believe it. Is it even loaded? I want the auto.
Asshole.